Hello everybody, my name is Coach Shane and welcome to Easy English Expressions. Come on, let's master English.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Daily Easy English Expression, the podcast, number 1165. It's summertime where I am, and we're pretty cool in the summer. I mean, we don't get really hot days. I think this summer the hottest it's been was maybe 32 or 33 degrees. But where I live, that's really hot. And I know some of you are like 40 degrees, 45. I used to live in the desert, believe me, I know. But when it gets really hot, what do you need? How can you survive? Yes, ice cream. Ice cream is essential, but something else too. You need one other thing. And that's today's expression. Before I give it to you, check out the dialogue. Turn the AC on. Doesn't work.
Your car doesn't have AC? I'm gonna die.
Roll down the window, you baby. Oh my goodness, yeah. AC. A/C. A/C. It's A/C. AC. It stands for air conditioner or air conditioning. That cold air that we get on a hot summer day, that beautiful machine, that lovely modern invention. Can you imagine what it was like to live a long time ago without AC and to have to work in that super hot heat with no AC? Oh, I've spent many years of my life without AC. I remember what it's like. Now I do have AC in my office, and I have AC in our living room. But my bedroom is at the back of the house. There's no AC in my bedroom. So on those hot summer nights, it's miserable. Yeah. AC. A/C. Air conditioning or air conditioner. So the dialogue, oh my God. Turn the AC on. Turn the air conditioner on. Doesn't work. Oh my God. It's broke? Your car doesn't have AC? I'm going to die. Yeah, that would be bad. Roll down the window, you baby. Be tough. Roll down the window. I'm going to have to. Yeah, it's August. What is it? August 18th for me when I'm recording this, 2025. I am ready for the fall. And even more so, I'm ready for the winter. Yeah, I love the cold weather. What about you? What's your favorite weather? Yeah. Do you have an AC? Do you use your AC? Let me know. All right, guys, check out the dialogue 2 more times, and together, let's master English.
Turn the AC on.
Doesn't work.
Your car doesn't have AC? I'm gonna die.
Roll down the window, you baby.
Turn the AC on.
Doesn't work.
Your car doesn't have AC? I'm gonna die.
Roll down the window, you baby.